everybody, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, where I help you learn the basics of home decor, the terminology, and basically how you can use it in your home. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, grab your cup of tea, and let's go. There's just something magical about a beautiful kitchen. It's more than a place to cook. It's the true heart of the home. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or gathering with loved ones for a holiday meal, the kitchen sets the tone for warmth, comfort, and connection. There is a very good reason people say the kitchen is the heart of the home. A stunning kitchen has the power to lift your mood, spark creativity, and make everyday routines feel just a little more special. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't need a massive, luxurious space to have the kitchen you love. As a matter of fact, a lot of times I will show very large spaces or homes because that's not the typical home we live in. So it's a little bit of inspiration for you. But I always do that because usually when people create these homes and these kitchens and these rooms, they're working with unlimited budget so they can go crazy. Now for everyday people like you and I, we can look at those pictures and then choose items from the room that we absolutely love, and we figure out a way to make it work in our homes. But let's get back to kitchens. Even the smallest kitchens can be breathtaking with the right touches. A pop of color on the cabinets, a gorgeous backsplash, or even something as simple as updated hardware can instantly elevate the space. Lighting also plays a huge role, so you can swap out harsh daylight bulbs for warm, ambient lighting, or add a statement pending light for a touch of personality. So even if you have one of these smaller kitchens that we spoke about, there are still ways that you can turn it into a room that you're obsessed with. My first tip would be possibly to just change out your drawer pulls or your cabinet door handles. Something so easy, it's beginner friendly, you don't need to hire anyone to do it, and you can find some great deals on cabinet hardware. They're very simple to find, and even if you don't want to buy anything else, you can simply remove your cabinet hardware or your drawer pulls, and with a good bottle of spray paint, you can really update your space. Gold hardware and black hardware, matte black that is, are really on trend right now. They're beautiful. Just go ahead and paint your drawer pulls. I would go over them with a layer of lacquer. Since you're going to be touching them every day, you don't want that paint to rub off, and you've already started to update your kitchen. And no, you don't have to hire someone to come and redo your backsplash for you. Stores like Amazon, stores like Home Depot and Lowe's all have backsplashes that are peel and stick, which means you can do this on your own. Even Dollar Tree has some backsplash that you just peel off the backing and put it on your wall, and it gives you a really nice backsplash look without the price tag. And don't worry, this is all rental friendly. For the backsplash, just go ahead and maybe cut a piece of newspaper to fit the backsplash that you have already, tape that on really well, and then use your peel and stick adhesive plates to go on top. Just like that, you've updated your backsplash for very cheap. The beauty of a kitchen is that it reflects you. Rustic wood tones can create a cozy farmhouse feel, while sleek marble countertops bring a modern elegance. Don't be afraid to mix textures. Metal accents, natural stone, and soft textiles like curtains or rugs can balance one another beautifully. And if you own your home and you're looking for easy DIY projects, just like I mentioned before, painting your cabinets can be super easy. Give them a good scrub though, because a lot of time kitchen cabinets can hold on to some of the grease and muck that we have going on in our kitchen. And you want to make sure that that paint stays. So just give them a good scrub. Maybe sand some of the old paint off and just start all over with a new beautiful color. You can also create open shelving, which is super easy. It seems very difficult, but it's actually not. Or you can add the peel and stick backsplash tiles, like we spoke about before. All of these can really transform your kitchen without the cost of a full remodel. At the end of the day, big or small, modern or traditional, every kitchen has the potential to be stunning. It's all about creating a space where you feel at home, where you feel inspired, and where you feel surrounded by beauty. Go ahead and finish the video. I hope you enjoy it.